Hello everyone! Ever seen cookies bloom like tiny flowers? These 10-minute mini swirl cookies are so easy and such a joy to bake with kids. So if you want to learn how to make them, then just keep watching. This recipe is going to be an absolute fun, so get your little ones to join in. Starting with our first ingredient, we will take room temperature butter. To this, we will add the sweetened condensed milk. Along with a splash of vanilla essence. Simply use a spatula to bring it all together until you get a smooth emulsified texture. This looks good. Now comes in the dry ingredients, and you'll be surprised to know we'll be using just a small amount of flour and a much larger quantity of cornstarch. Now you may be wondering why so. The main purpose of adding cornstarch is to help the cookies to retain their shape while baking. Start by adding half of cornstarch. Mix it well. And then add the all-purpose flour. And at this point, you need to be gentle while mixing. And in case you're looking to substitute the all-purpose flour with whole wheat flour, you can check the description box below for details. And finally, add in the remaining cornstarch. Eventually, bring it all together using your fingertips. And this is the texture we're looking for. I'd like to suggest an important step is that although the dough may seem pliable, it may be hard to pipe them out with the entire lot in one go. Therefore, I'd suggest you take half a portion at a time to work with. While you do that, make sure to cover the rest of the dough to avoid drying out. Now, the nozzle I've taken is a closed star-tip nozzle. It should be easily available in your local stores. In any case, I'll leave the link for it in the description box below. And the purpose of using 2 bags is to help keep it more sturdy while piping. And now comes in the fun part, where kids can have a go at it too. So take a baking tray lined with parchment paper, and taking our piping bag, holding it upright with a zigzag motion, we will pipe out the cookies. If at all you want to redo the piping, simply scoop it back into the bag and have a go at it again. Going ahead with the second half of the batch, you may find it hard to pipe. Therefore, I'd suggest to add a teaspoon or 2 of milk. But remember, we don't want it to be sloppy, just soft enough to pipe out. There's no right or wrong on how to pipe the cookies, as long as you get them to be the same size to bake evenly. Once done, we will now take some chopped candied fruit. I've taken the raw candied papaya known as the Tutti Frutti. You can take mini chocolate chips if you like. But I like how the pop of red color stands out on these little mini swirls of cookies. Pretty as they are, can't wait for them to bake. And the best part? There's no refrigeration required. Go ahead and bake them in a preheated oven at 160 degrees for about 12 to 14 minutes. And there you have it, pretty little Dahlia cookies. Each one a unique swirl and looks so pretty, they could easily adorn a coffee table with friends over, don't you think? Give it a try and let me know how they turn out. As always, I'd love to hear from you. You can get up to 30 such mini Dahlia cookies. And if you'd like more such easy recipes, go ahead and click the link for my ebook in the description box below. Can't wait to see how they've turned out on the inside. Perfect light browning on the bottom, with a perfect crisp texture on the outside. These are the best melt-in-your-mouth textured cookies. I'm sure you'll love them. Thank you for watching. Happy baking. Bye for now.